Today we'll paint roses in watercolors with PictureUP Creative Space. Start in the middle of the rose with fine strokes going around in a little circle. Leave white space but not too much. In the second round, put on pressure on your brush. Go around. They don't have to be all the same. Wiggle your brush to shorter and longer strokes. For the next round, change color. Take a slightly peachy color. For the outer leaves of your rose, wash out your brush. Take out color so the leaves look more soft and faded. After the first layer of color, we want to add more detail. With the tip of my brush, I dip in some darker shades. Look at how beautiful it comes out. It blends in as the paper underneath is still wet. Once more, I take the peachy color mixed out of pink and yellow. Love it. Wonderful. Now we start with the leaves. I take a green mixed out of green and a little bit of brown or gray so they get a more natural color. For rose leaves, I like to take my tip of the brush and move it in a zigzag way, so moving it up and down. Now I'm adding darker green for more details. Use different shades of green. It always looks so much more natural. Wonderful! Now paint another rose. Do the same as with the first one and see how it comes out. Look at these beautiful roses. So easy and quick to paint. Try it yourself. Take your brush and colors and paint along. Hope you enjoyed this video. There are more flowers to paint. Have a look on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.